Do I need a credit card? Hell no. What's up, YouTube? I wanted to make a quick video bitching about credit cards and how people are brought up to think of them. Most people, when they grow up, they turn 18, they're told or they hear that credit cards, it's good to get a credit card because it builds your credit. Outside of that, they typically have no idea what the hell they're doing. They may not even have a job, have an income. But they're told you need to build your credit, so you have to get a credit card. So, two things. Why? Since when did our credit score become the end-all be-all? Would you rather be in debt up your eyeballs and have a great credit score, or have a huge savings account and a terrible credit score? Yes, you need good credit to take out loans. But why do you want to take out loans? Why do you want to take out more loans? The only reason I can think of is a mortgage. Because obviously no one can save up that much money when it's time to move out of your parents' house. So, but there are other ways aside from getting a credit card that you can't pay. Because once you get a credit card, more than likely you're probably going to abuse the shit out of it, and then you can't pay it off every month, and then you can't pay chunks every month, and then you're paying minimum payments every month, and then you have a permanent debt to your name. So why not forget the goddamn credit card and earn some credit, building up your credit scores through loans that are absolutely necessary? Meaning, you turn 17, or if you're 17, obviously you're about to drive. 16 in some states, I guess. But if, assuming your parents are willing, assuming you didn't have money saved up, take out a loan for a car. Small car loan, not a freaking brand new car. Small car loan, piece of shit, couple years. Have your parents sign, and you can co-sign. 17, 18. Not sure if you have to be 18 on that, but regardless, if you're 18, you can do it on your own, but they'll rip you off with the interest rate. So you get a co-signer, you're going to save money and still build the credit. Another way is college loans, obviously, which, assuming you want to go to college to have a respectable career, make good money in the future, that will build your credit. And I'm guessing you're not going to buy a house till you're done with college. So if that is the case, then there you go. Hopefully your credit score will be just fine after your little 4 years or whatever, and you can get a nice little mortgage with no debt to your name but a stupid college loan. There's all sorts of other ways, such as, if you're older and you think you need to keep the credit cards to keep your credit score up, but you're paying rent. A lot of that rent is not reported to the credit bureaus, so you can actually report it to them yourself, and that would help your credit score. There's also something called peer-to-peer lending, which is, I guess, a small type loan which is held outside of banks. Like a personal loan type deal, but not in a bank. You can get a personal loan in a bank too, but their interest rates are usually horrendous as well. My point is, it's better to have a set loan for a certain amount of years that you need to make your credit score better, rather than something that's in your wallet, in your hand, that you can use over and over and over and get whatever the hell you want, especially in your teenage years, young 20s. There's no control. So if you're younger and you're thinking about getting a credit card, think again. Bad idea. Go to work, make some money, save your money. You know, don't buy unnecessary crap. You should only buy what you can afford. And a credit card is telling you that it doesn't matter. It basically, okay, you can buy this and pay it back later. And soon enough, that'll come back to bite you in the ass. What did I do? I got a credit card at 18. What am I doing now? Still, at 36 years old, paying off credit cards. It has never stopped. I'm almost done. Next year is the year of no more credit cards. But, needless to say, I started young, got in huge ass debt, been paying it off and paying it off and paying it off. And it only took 18 years of my life to pay it off. Well, that's assuming I can pay it off next year. 19 years, actually. Long story short, let's avoid the credit cards if you want to live a happy life. Not only happy, but just more stable and affordable. It's just not wise. Unless you're very smart with money, which at 18 or your 20s I highly doubt. But unless you were taught well, and you're doing it for the points, this, that, the other thing, you pay it off every month, fine. Outside of that, stand clear. Get a job, save your money, spend cash only. Alright? Go to work.